Stop scrolling. What I'm about to share is the Perplexity Profit Hack, the secret method nobody dares reveal. If you are in the US and you want to earn online in 2026, this is the hidden key that could change everything. Perplexity isn't just a Q&A tool, it's a profit engine disguised as AI. Ask it for trending US topics, structured outlines, and unique insights. What you get isn't just answers, it's raw material for blogs, YouTube scripts, TikToks, and newsletters. Think of it as your invisible content team working around the clock. Here's the twist: monetize that content. Publish articles on Medium, LinkedIn, or your own blog. Use Perplexity to embed SEO keywords that dominate US traffic. Every post becomes a magnet for clicks, and clicks mean ad revenue, affiliate sales, and digital product conversions. Now scale it. Repurpose Perplexity's outputs into short-form videos, podcasts, and email campaigns. Each piece of content is a digital asset. Stack enough of them, and you have built a self-sustaining income machine. That's the multiplier effect nobody talks about.